Naghahanap ka ba ng brand new ready for occupancy unit dito sa Lipa City, Batangas na maganda yung location, few minutes away lang sa mga commercial establishments, hospital at schools? Ito yung isa sa pwede namin i-recommend sa iyo na brand new ready for occupancy unit. And ang maganda pa, corner lot ito. Yung minimum lot area ng property na to is 105 square meters and then yung floor area nito is 88 square meters. Meron tayo ditong garage area and since nga corner lot ito, so may space pa tayo doon na pwede mo siyang i-utilize as garden o kaya naman carport. Tara sa loob. Ito yung ating living or receiving area. Ito naman yung ating dining area na may access going to our lanay. Nabanggit ko kanina na yung lanay area natin is pwede mo siyang i-convert as additional garage o kaya naman garden. And ang maganda pa dito is napakalapit lang nito sa ating main gate. Meron tayo ditong powder room sa ground floor. And ito yung ating kitchen area. So maganda dito yung kitchen area natin is medyo tago siya. And kasama sa turnover yung ating overhead and under counter cabinets. Plus, meron tayo ditong access door from our garage. Welcome naman sa ating second floor. Meron tayong total of 3 bedrooms. Unahin ko ito. Ito yung ating common toilet and bath. Ito sa second floor, complete set of fixtures. And this is our bedroom number 1. Kita nyo naman malalaki yung ating bitana para well-lit yung ating bedroom. And this is our bedroom number 2 na halos ka-size lang naman ng naunang bedrooms. And ito yung ating master's bedroom. Malalaki yung space natin, may mga bintana pa rin. And ang maganda dito, meron itong ensuite toilet and bath. And lastly, ito yung ating balcony dito sa ready for occupancy unit na to. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng ready for occupancy unit dito sa Lipa City, Batangas, and ang preferred mo is malapit sa city and malapit sa mga schools like Lasal, ilalagay namin dyan sa description box yung full details, yung full YouTube house tour at ang aming contact numbers. Thank you for watching!